For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The Supreme Court has failed to extract an apology from lawyer Prashant Bhushan in suo motu contempt of court case. Attorney General K.K. Venugopal has requested the court not to punish Bhushan and close the case by just warning him. The Apex Court expressed its displeasure over the resolve shown by Prashant Bhushan not to offer an apology. The court said, "You have hurt someone and you must remove the hurt."
What is wrong in seeking an apology? Is it a sin to apologize? Will that be a reflection of guilt? Apology is a magical word which can heal. You will go to the category of Mahatma Gandhi if you can apologize.
Attorney General K.K. Venugopal expressed his opinion to the court and was against punishing Bhushan. K.K. Venugopal said this was an opportunity for the Apex Court to enhance its greatness by showing compassion. Senior advocate Rajiv Dhawan, who appeared for Bhushan, requested the court not to make his client a martyr by punishing him.
What is needed is judicial statesmanship and not mercy. Look at what happened to Kalyan Singh after the demolition of Babri Masjid. He was punished for contempt and was seen as a martyr. Martyrdom is not what Prashant Bhushan wants. We don't want this matter to continue. This controversy will continue depending on the punishment you give to Bhushan. Not only should this case be closed, but controversy should be ended.
Prashant Bhushan has refused to apologize in his two statements submitted to the court. On August 20th, Bhushan in his statement quoted Mahatma Gandhi and said that he would not seek mercy or magnanimity from the court and submit to any punishment. The court, however, gave him an opportunity to tender an unconditional apology by August 24th. In his second statement, Prashant Bhushan said an insincere apology would amount to contempt of his conscience and to the institution he holds in high esteem. Bhushan was found guilty of contempt for scandalizing the court with his two tweets on a picture of CJI S.A. Bobde and the functioning of Supreme Court in the last 6 years. Bhushan said the tweets were his bona fide opinions and the criticism was necessary to safeguard the democracy and its values. Referring to Bhushan's second statement, Justice Mishra said, "We expected something better from him."
Many sitting and retired judges have spoken about the institution in the past. The intent was to tell the court to look within and reform and to seek improvement for advancement of justice. No, it is not necessary to punish Bhushan, just warn and let him go.
Rajiv Dhawan requested the Supreme Court not to reprimand his client and make a general statement. While wrapping up the hearing, Justice Arun Mishra said, "You can criticize, but do not attribute motive to us."